Ever wonder how to turn off this annoying sound? Please continue watching because we're gonna tackle it and I will tell you how to turn this off. Annoying sound on Facebook apps. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela Diana Rose. Please do subscribe if you are new here. And for today's video, I'm going to tackle today the most annoying sound you've ever heard every time you will open your Facebook. Every time this annoys me. So this one here now, as you can hear, there's no sound yet because I already turned off that annoying sound. So I'm going to show you how to turn it off. So basically you have to go to settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down to go through this media and contacts. So you need to switch off that in-app sound. So I turn it on so that you will hear what I mean. Listen. That's annoying, right? That's very annoying. So here I'm going to show you another sound also that make me decide to search why and how to turn off this annoying sound. You have to listen. I really don't like this sound here. Because for me, every time I go to Facebook Marketplace and save some items that I like, and today I really hate it. Like, you want to be just quiet, and why this annoying sound is here. Before I don't have this, so now it's here. I really don't like this sound. So basically you need to go to settings, scroll down until you reach the media and contacts. Under that media and contacts, you need to click on the sound and you have to turn off that in-app sound. Then you will never hear that annoying sound again. So no more sound. I really don't like these sounds. Every time I always wonder, I have it notification sound off, but I still hear that sound. So now it's no more there. No more sounds. It's very quiet now. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you do subscribe to my channel. You just go to settings, scroll down, media and sound, and then go to sound and then switch off that in-app sound. So you just have to toggle it off. So please guys, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful for you, and please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe this channel, this video. I know everybody don't like, mostly everybody don't want to hear this annoying sound. So please guys, support me, and thank you so much. See you again next time.